Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode I'd like to show you how you can transfer ownership from a user that has been deleted or left the company for a Microsoft form. So first of all, the user needs to be a global admin, and what we need to do is actually I have a user that has been deleted. His name is Ligu. You see he's under deleted users, and actually we will take a script that will take control on his on Ligu's account, because within the 30 days he can the admin can take ownership. So this script is http formsoffice.com pages delegate page and then original name user, and this is actually what you need to change here and put the account that was deleted. In my case it's Ligu, so I will copy it, and as a global admin I will go and actually I will open a new tab and I will paste it. What we will see here that it says that the form of Ligu will be deleted on the 21st of March, which is like 30 days from now. But what we can do is, this is Ligu's form, so we can click move and we can choose if to transfer it to the admin's account or to one of the groups. So in this case, for instance, if I move it to my account as admin, it will move it. And if I now go, for instance, to my account, just a second, and I will go to Microsoft Forms. Here we are. The same thing actually we could do. So here is my forms, and I transformed it. The second thing that we could do is to transfer to a group. In that case, whoever's a member in a group, he can actually use it. What the strange thing is that I see that Ligu is editing this, but this is very strange. So this is actually, I'll put the script in the description below. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and have a good day. Goodbye.